Hi everyone, welcome back to the Storytime family. How have you been? Did you do anything exciting at school today? Who'd you play with? Well, I'm glad you had fun. Well, today we have a very special topic we're going to talk about in this book. Food. How much do you like food? Well, I don't know about you, but I love food. Talking about food, preparing food, everything about food. And in this book, it's called What's Cooking by Joshua David Stein and illustrated by Julia Rothman. Have you ever wondered how many ways you can cook eggs? Can you fry ice cream? How about gelato? What's gelato made of? Do you know? Well, you may find the answers in this book. It's definitely a book you can enjoy with your parents or your friends, discovering food, and maybe it might inspire you to go cook a dish or two in the kitchen with your mom or dad. Yeah? Awesome! Warning though, you might get hungry. Let's have a look. What's cooking? If I fry a strip of potato and a slice of tomato, can I fry a scoop of gelato? Actually, yes. Gelato is a type of ice cream, and fried ice cream is a real dessert. It's warm on the outside and cold on the inside, and delicious all the way through. Looks pretty delicious to me. Do you know what gelato is made of? It's actually made out of milk. Can I can clams? Can I can jams? Can I jam clams? Huh. That's pretty gross, I have to say. Clams you can, chop up in clam juice. Jam you can, and you can jar it too. And you can't jam clams, but you can certainly jelly them. That's called clams en gelée, which is a fancy word for jelly. Squeeze a grape juice, freeze the juice, and you get an ice lolly. Squeeze an ice lolly, and it becomes a sticky mess. I bet you've done that, right? If I toss a salad, can I throw a salad? I don't suggest you throw a salad at the dinner table though. A salad can be tossed to mix up all the ingredients, but it should never be thrown. Have you been eating your salad? Good job. Dough, you can throw dough. That's how pizza is made. It is thrown up in the air and spun around and around. The person who throws it is called a pizzaiolo or pizzaiola. It's his or her job to catch it too. Eggs. I adore eggs. Do you like eggs? And how do you like your eggs? Beaten, broken, scrambled, fried, cured, coddled, baked, and dried. My favorite is, to be honest, all of them. I love sunny side up eggs, and I love scrambled eggs too. If turkeys are stuffed with stuffing, what else can I stuff? Oh, there's lots of things you can stuff. Jalapenos, chicken, tofu, fish, mushrooms. Oh, there's so many. Lots of stuff. You can stuff peppers with rice, and cabbage with meat, and even meat with meat. That's called a ballotine. Well, if I stuff stuffing, can I dump dumplings? No, but you can stuff dumplings with pork for gyoza in Japan, with cheese for pierogies in Ukraine, with soup for xiaolongbao in China. Well, guess what? My kids, they love dumplings. But who doesn't love dumplings, right? Have you ever had one? Well, you can try making some in the kitchen. They're great. Is this a very old grape or a very new raisin? My guess is a very new raisin, because if you left a grape out that long, it would be moldy. If I eat leftovers, can I eat left-unders? Well, it depends. Left under where? Do frozen peas grow on frozen trees? I wonder. Do they? No, frozen peas start off as fresh peas grown on vines. But after they're harvested, they're frozen, so they last longer. The spinach is creamed and the manjatu steamed. The garlic is minced and the lettuce is rinsed. The cucumbers are cubed and the squash has been squared. The tomatoes are stewed and the parsnip is pared. Which one's your favorite veggie? Well, I love spinach and lettuce. I like cucumbers too. I also like tomatoes. The beef has been roasted. The bread has been toasted. The eggs are boiled, then chilled. The salmon is oiled, then grilled. Melon is scooped. Lemon is zested. Cookies are cooked. Cookies are tested. Now the only question is, who does the dishes? Who does the dishes in your house? Do you do the dishes? Are you sure? Oh, a potato! Can I mush it, mash it, push it, patch it, splash it, dream it, peel it, steal it, cheese it, sneeze it, crisp it, cream it, couch it, smoke it, hang it, chill it, stretch it, hatch it, throw it, catch it, spin it, stain it, poach it, paint it, pickle it, tickle it, freckle it, fry it, free it, or let it be it. Potatoes. I love potatoes too. How much do you like potatoes? I like them in potato salad, fries. I know, it's bad. I love mashed potatoes, Hasselback potatoes, mashed and roasted potatoes. They're so good. Hope you enjoyed What's Cooking. Hope this inspires you to go play around in the kitchen and have lots of fun. Thanks so much for joining us today. Make sure you come back and see us again for other fun books. Give us a like and subscribe and leave us a comment. Tell us about your favorite foods and how you like them prepared or cook them. See you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.